So we start off today's video with a hair color transformation. Beautiful mix of blonde, brown, and pink. This is an absolutely stunning color combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations. So next up we see someone who has blonde ombre grown out hair. The stylist continues to put the color on. So the stylist did bleach the hair, and then now they're going in with a gray silver tone. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love this mix of beautiful gray throughout her strands. And then we have someone DIYing their hair color in the form of clip-ins. Great way to rock some color without risking damaging your own hair. And then we see the layered hair trend being done on this gorgeous burgundy shade. Her hair looks so volumized and beautiful, and I am loving this hair color. So moving on to the next hair transformation, looks like she got a brighter blonde. And then we have a beautiful color added with the bangs. And then we have a DIY hair color. So she does have an undercut pixie hairstyle, and she's decided to mix it up with a different color. Looks like she decided to go with the bleach blonde, and then she is going back in and adding some icy. Oh, love the final results. Gorgeous platinum blonde. She did a great job with the DIY transformation. Then we have someone rocking the pearl trend. Great way to wear your hair if you have a special event coming up. You want to do something a little bit different. And then we have a hair color transformation. So there is the before and there is the after. It looks like a gorgeous sandy brown. Absolutely stunning. She also got a few layers mixed in as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with hair just a little bit past their shoulders and they have decided to get a bob haircut. Oh, very nice face framing highlights. And looks like she actually ended up getting more of a lob. That is, of course, a beautiful shoulder length bob style. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.